So we've got a Ford Focus 2010 instrument cluster, usual problems, engine malfunction while driving down the road, battery light coming on, lots of different faults coming up, theft detected, correlation problems with the accelerator pedal. On these they all run through the instrument cluster. It's pretty straightforward repair. I must have done a couple of hundred of them now, so get it apart and show you exactly what you need to do. Right, so we'll start by taking the back off. Got a couple of clips here. There's one there. That's that bit off. Get that out of the way. You then got to remove the face panel. As you see, there's a clip here. Just release that one. Release that one. Another one there. There we go, and that's the actual cluster down to that part now. So take the needles off. With these, obviously, be careful when you're removing them. I use one of these trim tools, just get it underneath. There we go. I'll slide them off. Just try not to bend them at too much an angle because you don't want to bend it, so try and keep it straight. That's that part off there. You then got the display to take out. Got these clips on the back, that's one. So you just twist them around so they line up with the holes. That allows that to be removed. Little connector here, this is like a friction connector, so you just need to slide the brown bit up to release it. That releases that, and that's the display out. Moving the board, you've got clips here, one there, one there. And they do grip very tight on these posts, so you will find that it can be a bit of a struggle getting it out from there. But obviously don't flex it too much because you don't want to damage the board inside. You've just got all these white clips all the way around it. You just push them into release. Same again, you've got another clip there. It is tight on that one. So you can just give it a little bit of a help. Like that. When putting anything in there, try not to go too far under, keep it to the edge of the board because you don't want to damage the tracks with the components on. Now the problem is always the connections on this here. The connections are usually pretty bad, the solder cracks. I'll see if I can get a better view of them for you so you can have a look exactly what I mean. So we'll put this in the clamp. I actually bought these for this because I've done so many of them now. Got this clamp, gives you a better hold and you don't have to hold it, and it makes the job a lot easier. Right, so as you can see, I've put the picture up now, you can see what the problem is. So we're going to get some flux down here. Make sure we get a good solder joint. And see, there's a lot of the pins are cracked where the solder's gone on them. It's a really common problem, but it's always best to add flux to get a better solder on there. And let's get that done now and clean it off, get it put back together again. So it's resoldered. Let's get some of this excess flux off and make sure everything's okay. Well, there we go. That's all cleaned up now. So we'll get it put back together again. Pretty much the same. Just make sure that latches in, all the clips line up, hold it in place. These just literally twist back again, just a way of holding the display in. It goes on to the little earthing points there of the main board. That's that in. get the needles on, make sure everything lines up. Back to you in a minute when I'm in the car. So refitting it, very much, I didn't actually show you how it actually comes out, but I'll show you now. So literally, easiest way is to unlock the steering column, drop it down, pull this panel off, 2 Torx 20s there. Getting them out is a bit fiddly, so I tend to use this trim tool, because with the trim tool you put that in there, get it to the side and just give it a little push down and releases it, and that's the best way to get them out. If you pull on here you end up breaking the bezel and everything, but so that's it, pretty straightforward. It's all in, everything's back on, and we're good to go. All the problems have gone away, so all done. Move on to the next one.